TrusteeFriend is the name of our organization. And the reason why we decided to call it Trusty Friend is, sometimes bringing or entering into this realm of estate planning, whether you're a client or you're an agent, can be a little bit intimidating, right? There's a lot of legal language that people don't normally come across every single day. It may be the first time that somebody's talking to a legal professional, an attorney like Barry or a paralegal. These plans can be anywhere from 60 to 125 pages long. And so we really wanted to make the process much easier for people to come work with us. We have a very friendly staff, very friendly approach. We have very open lines of communication, right? We really wanted you to feel supported because this is a very important topic and something that a lot of people are waiting way too long to get started. Like Diana, I came from, a not so pleasant background, even though I've been able to accomplish some things as an adult. I didn't come from a family of entrepreneurs or go-getters. Both my parents were involved with gang activity when I was a child, and both my parents passed away when I was still a child. And I tell people the only thing my parents left behind were five broke little boys. Okay, my four brothers and myself. They didn't have any life insurance, which is very important too. They didn't have an estate plan. They didn't have a savings. I'm not even sure they had jobs when they passed away, so we had to go live with a single grandparent who was retired. You can imagine how difficult that made life growing up, not having a lot of resources. And so as I got older, I decided that I was going to devote, at least part of my career and my life to helping other people understand how important proper protection is, right? Estate planning is part of it. Life insurance is another. And you can talk about Diana, talk to her about your life insurance needs after this is completed. But I want to go ahead and get started and delve into what exactly is an estate plan, like why do we all need it, what is it? Okay, number one, it's a legal rule book outlining exactly how your assets should be managed, protected, and distributed, giving clear instructions to your decision makers and ensuring your wishes are carried out without confusion. I always say this is planning with intent. Okay, you really need to have a game plan for the times that maybe we're not here. Perhaps we're the sole breadwinner for our family. We want to make sure that we have everything protected legally, it's organized and distributed the way we want to. It also provides protection, right? And you said protection from what? From the delays, costs, and public nature of probate. We'll talk a little bit more about probate in a second. By ensuring your assets transfer smoothly and privately, which is important according to your instructions, right? We're going to have Barry touch on a little bit on how important that privacy here is in the next page. And then lastly, I think probably the most important thing is that peace of mind that it brings. Um, Roughly 75 to 85% of Americans are living without an estate plan right now. Okay, 70% of people pass away without ever getting their estate plan completed. And I couldn't imagine being on maybe in a hospital bed and I'm there and I'm terminal and I'm thinking to myself, I didn't get my family protected. I didn't get my estate protected. That's not the type of peace of mind. That's a lack of peace of mind, actually. And that's not how I want to go. And that's definitely not how I want to leave my family in a situation. So knowing your wishes are documented, your loved ones are protected, and that your plan will guide them clearly during life's most challenging moments, I think is really something that we should all focus on and how we want to set our families up for success again, when and if we're no longer here. So I want to talk about a few scenarios and why